So with headlight restoration, what happens is over time, the plastic covering over your headlights gets oxidation, gets environmental materials on there, and it tends to yellow and get a little bit of a film on it, and actually lowers the amount of light coming out of the headlight to the road, making nighttime driving a little bit dangerous. There are several different types of headlight restoration. There's chemical and physical. The chemical headlight restoration, pretty much anybody can do, and you can actually buy the kits at your local parts store. It's just a compound you put on a rag, you rub it onto the headlights, and it gets the film off and lightly buffs the headlights, and then you wipe it off and you have nice brand new looking headlights. Then there's the physical process, and that's where they actually take various stages of sandpaper, sand down the film, and then they buff the headlights and they put a new coating over it to keep this from happening again. The film has gotten so thick that the chemical will not take it off, so they have to sand it off and go through stages like that. If you're doing just the chemical restoration, you can pick up the kits for $10 to $15 in your local store, or go to a shop and they'll charge you anywhere for $50 to $75 to do it for both headlights. If you go to a shop and have to get the physical sanding process done, it can cost upwards of $150 to get that done for 2 headlights. And if you ask them to do just one headlight, chances are they're not going to do that because they want them to be equal. So they're going to want to do both headlights at the same time.